Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will study assembly explosion in NX10 software. The exploded view is a split diagram in an assembly model where components are offset according to their assembly relationships. This is to facilitate the user's understanding of the parts in the assembly and their interrelationships. The exploded view, also known as a three-dimensional assembly diagram, is commonly found in the structure manuals of various everyday products. It is used to illustrate the different components. This three-dimensional exploded diagram is one of the simplest exploded views, more specifically an isometric assembly diagram. National standards also specify that product structures in the structure manuals of industrial products should preferably use three-dimensional diagrams. In this lesson, we will mainly explain the process of generating an exploded view, using an already assembled model as an example to demonstrate how to perform the exploded view operation. Open the UG software and import an assembly model. The exploded view can only be completed on the basis of an assembled model. In the drop-down menu, open the exploded view options and click on New Exploded View. There are two types of exploded views: automatic explosion and manual explosion. Typically, manual explosion should be selected, as the effects of automatic explosion are generally not ideal and cannot be used directly. We create a new exploded view, select a component, click Move Object, then drag it, and finally click Apply. Note that at the end of the command, there are two options: Confirm and Apply. Confirm completes the operation and exits the command, while Apply completes the operation but does not exit the command, allowing continuous use of the command. When creating an exploded view, it should be done in the order of assembly. The exploded view mainly provides guidance for actual assembly. If the order in the exploded view is wrong, then the steps in the actual product's assembly will also follow the wrong order. This will result in the parts not being correctly assembled. After completing the exploded view, if you want to exit the exploded view or cancel some of the already exploded step locally, you can select the Cancel Exploded Component command, click the explosion step you want to cancel, or directly select all the steps. This will cancel all explosions and return to the initial state. In this lesson, we mainly discussed the operation of generating an exploded view. Please practice more after class to become proficient in the operation. See you in the next lesson.
Hello everyone. This lesson will introduce to you about Section 18, Operations of Assembly Explosion. Open UG first. These are two models that I dragged in. Two cylinders. So I'm going to take these two models as examples. Explain the explosion command for everyone, assuming that these two cylinders are assembled together in this way. So how to separate them by explosion? First, find the order to explode. In this position, or a drop-down menu, find the explosion in the assembly. Newly built. If there had not been a new explosion before, then you can just create a new one, and then do some editing in it. This is the explosion of editing it. You can click. The first is to select objects. For example, if I want to move this object up, so just click on it, then choose the second one. There's a coordinate axis here. Drag up this origin. Then it moves up. Then click OK. So suppose I want to move the following object to the left and right now. Then select this object again. Then click the second one to the left. Then it would have exploded by now. And then if you want to disarm the explosion, click this. There is a command button to disarm the explosion. Click to select the object. It will return to its original state. Then this model is taken as an example in PPT. These are some concrete steps. So that's the end of this lesson. Thank you all.